Wait, your home didn't sell and the listing expired? You must be frustrated and maybe even a little embarrassed. In this market, homes that are prepped, priced, and marketed strategically, they're still selling fast. If your last agent didn't give your home that kind of launch, the one that it deserves, then you really never had a shot. In a technology-driven world where buyers are binge scrolling, if your listing isn't standing out immediately, then it's practically invisible, right? So here's what I do differently so that your listing will not expire and will sell in a market that has shifted a bit. So I stage, price, and market your home strategically to the masses. I know that it's about first impressions to stop the scroll. And with my strategic marketing campaigns, I get your home in front of the right buyers with professional photography, drone footage, targeted Facebook and Instagram ads, story-based descriptions, and local SEO optimization to enhance your home's presence online. Okay, so I know that that's a lot, right? So let me sit down with you and I'm going to show you my complete premier listing system. I'm Sheila Howell with Redone Realty, your Central Ohio real estate expert. And I don't just list homes. I launch them with a digital strategy that works. DM me now and let's relaunch your listing the right way so you'll get the results this time. Sheila Howell, Redone Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.